in this video we are going to make the rim board and the floor joists using 2x10 pieces of lumber. Hope you enjoy the video.
In the last video, we put up the wood beam and the teleposts. Now we are making the rim board, which is a bunch of 2x10 pieces of wood that are going around the perimeter. We've finished making the rim board, and now we are going to make the floor joists. One part of the floor joists holds on to the rim board, and the other half is put over the wood beam. We are also putting small blocking pieces on the side floor joists, like this. So here we are attaching the floor joists to the rim board, and my dad is using a 90-degree angle so that he can make sure that they are straight. Now we are making a beam out of 3 pieces of wood. My dad is using the gun to put them together, and it's gonna be going around the area where the stairs are gonna be, because we're not gonna have any floor joists where the stairs are, so we've got beams around that area. So we've made that area around the stairs, and this is how everything is looking so far. These gray things that my dad is hammering into the beam right now are hangers, and they just hold the floor joists better because these ones aren't going over top of the stairs and are just ending right here. So we're having hangers hold them up. So we've finished making the floor joists. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! No, wait, come back. There's still lots of work left to do.